What if you could mine cryptocurrency from your phone without expensive hardware or a PhD in tech? What if wealth creation wasn't just for Wall Street or Silicon Valley but for anyone, anywhere, with a smartphone and a dream? Welcome to Pi Network, a crypto project that sparked both excitement and skepticism, quietly building one of the most powerful communities in the world. With over 60 million pioneers, Pi Network is redefining wealth in the digital age, but not without controversy. Is it the future of finance or a bold experiment? Let's dive into the story of Pi Network and why it's creating wealth millions of times over. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, where mining requires costly rigs and technical expertise, Pi Network flips the script. Launched in 2019 by a team of Stanford PhDs, Pi allows anyone to mine Pi coin directly from their smartphone, without draining battery or data. This accessibility is a game changer. From students in Nigeria to small business owners in Southeast Asia, Pi has opened the doors to crypto for people who've never had a seat at the table. This simplicity has fueled explosive growth. With over 60 million pioneers worldwide, Pi Network isn't just a crypto project, it's a global movement. Each pioneer is a stakeholder, contributing to the network's security and value through daily mining. As some prominent voice in the Pi community notes, Pi isn't just rich in coins, it's rich in vision and unity, but not everyone agrees. Critics argue that Pi's lack of a fully launched mainnet raises questions about its long-term viability, yet, for millions the promise of accessible wealth creation keeps them engaged. What makes Pi Network stand out is its community. These aren't just users, they're builders. Every tap to mine, every transaction, every app tested in the Pi browser adds to the ecosystem's strength. Pioneers are creating microeconomies, bartering goods and services with Pi, from local markets in India to online communities in Brazil. This grassroots approach is turning small actions into large-scale impact. But the controversy lingers. Some skeptics call Pi a speculative bubble, pointing to its closed mainnet and unlisted token status. Supporters counter that Pi's value lies in its community, not just its price. With millions of daily active users, Pi's network effect is undeniable. Each pioneer's contribution, whether mining, testing, or building apps, creates ripples of economic activity. This collective effort is why Pi is often called the richest community in crypto, not just in coins but in shared purpose. Pi Network's vision of wealth goes beyond financial gain, it's about empowerment. By engaging with the ecosystem, pioneers learn about blockchain, Web3, and decentralized governance. They're not just mining coins, they're gaining skills for the digital economy. From participating in community initiatives to testing decentralized apps, pioneers are building knowledge and networks that will serve them far beyond Pi. This focus on education and inclusion sets Pi apart. In regions with limited financial access, Pi offers a gateway to the digital economy. For example, in parts of Africa and Latin America, pioneers are using Pi for peer-to-peer transactions, creating financial resilience in their communities. Critics, however, question whether Pi's mined coins will ever hold real-world value. Without a fully launched mainnet, the debate continues. Yet Pi's supporters argue that its utility, already evident in small-scale commerce, proves its potential to reshape wealth creation. Pi Network is at a pivotal moment. As it moves toward its open mainnet phase, the focus is on scaling its ecosystem. Key initiatives include expanding Pi apps, encouraging developers to build innovative apps within the Pi browser to drive engagement. Merchant adoption, pushing for businesses to accept Pi, increasing its real-world utility. Education, offering resources to help pioneers understand blockchain and maximize Pi's potential. Community empowerment, supporting local barter networks and cooperative economies using Pi coin. But challenges remain. The delay in launching the open mainnet has fueled skepticism, with some calling Pi a hype-driven project. Others see it as a bold experiment in decentralized wealth creation, prioritizing community over quick profits. As Pi scales, its ability to balance accessibility, utility, and transparency will determine its place in the crypto world. Pi Network is more than a crypto project, it's a revolution of everyday people building wealth together. It's not without controversy, but its vision of accessibility, community, and empowerment is undeniable. As it is said, Pi is the richest community in crypto, not just in coins, but in spirit and collective strength. In a world where crypto is often seen as a speculative gamble, Pi offers a different path. Wealth creation through collaboration, not competition. So, what's next for you? Will you join the 60 million pioneers shaping the future of finance? Keep mining, keep building, and keep believing. Pi Network isn't just creating wealth, it's creating a decentralized world where everyone has a chance to thrive. Subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and let's explore the crypto revolution together.